Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to make a name card on Flutterflow. So first you're going to want to type Flutterflow in your Google Chrome, and then you're gonna want to search the flutterflow.io, and at here you want to go to start for free, and it will redirect you to another website. So in this you're just gonna wait for the loading and make an account. So if you already here, you can create an account by manually or just sign in with Google. I'm going to go with sign in with Google. Hold on. Okay, after you leave that, it's going to be redirected to another next website. So this is the home screen of Flutterflow, and after this you're gonna want to click, or you can just explore first. Hold on, nah. But here you want to select your intentions of using the free flow. As a designer, a startup, and do you have a coding experience? Maybe some. If you, this is just optional, you can fill it by yourself. Okay. Now in this home screen, you're gonna want to just straight up put the name card, or up to you. Should pop up just like this. You can read it first. Congrats on starting your project, and if you wanna go to the tutorial you can, but I'll just start building. So in here, this is the main screen. You can see you can do this. Okay, let's go. Just hurry up making it. So first, if you want to this, remove the up bar, right click and click delete, and then after that you want to add a container by pressing this child and then container. It should be like this, and you want to add a padding to this column. First 10, top 10, bottom 10, left 20 and right 20. Then after that you want to make an alignment toward this container. So the container settings are alignment to middle, and then if you just go to here, border radius to 15, after that, and then after that it should be just like this. And then so you want to make the container with 100%, not 100px, 100%. And then for the height, you can just make it, but first let's just add 100 first, because we want to make our insides first. So after that you want to add a stack to this container. So you just want to search for stack here, it should appear that top start and bottom end, and then after that you want to add an image to the stack. This image should pop up a random image like this, and so after this you want to make the image have with 100%,
give you a blank frame,
100%
I would like
by 100%.
and then there will be a column.
It should be like this.
So the column is
Then after that,
or maybe application bar.
after it
So
be
we
like
just,
this, if you want, you can make a secondary color for your container.
select the all component inside column and application bar and column.
Container.
Then for the first, we have to make this section first. There will
So,
be a banner, photo profile,
After this, you can just remove this
and then
container
the others
with
information. And for the
this,
first is
maybe 80% first,
uh,
or 50% maybe, 40% maybe.
then is column.
100.
So
After that,
I will explain you about
this,
column,
you
and
want to add an, maybe you just leave it by 100 first, 100 px,
what is
100
column
px,
row.
and then after
Column
that
is,
you want to add a column in here
container, and for the direction is
below the image.
uh,
Should appear like this, and then so this is like just,
and the direction is
column.
horizontal,
then you're gonna want to set to the middle,
and for the row
and then
is the
you
alignment
want to add
horizontal.
a container,
Then
this is column,
if you want to
and it should be like this. Then after that container, you want to add an image in the container. So it should be just like this, maybe, and then after that you want to change the image type to uploaded file, asset. Then you want to upload your image. So for example, I want to add this image, and it should be like this. Yeah, you can change your background color by clicking your home page, and then change it to whatever you like. I want to make it brown. So after this, you want to make the container height just a little bit, so you can see like that, to 50, to 40 maybe, yes, to 40.
I want to make this button,
And then
alignment
the
is
image
horizontal.
for this thing, we're gonna
Then,
change
just
to 100
alignment to
px, my bad, it's 100 px.
the end of the bottom,
Then
at the top,
you want to fill the color of the container,
for
make it maybe white, like this.
for
For this, you can
then
edit this container
select
with the image,
the color.
and then make the container alignment to middle. And then you just gonna first make the image border radius to 100, so it's going to be a circle, and make it the same for the container.
Container.
Click this, and then add 100,
So if you ask me about
should be like
what
that.
for this
And
container,
if
this container will
it's
be
if your background color
uh,
is white, maybe you can change the
the background art
container to black.
then
Then
you can
container, um, image. Maybe we can do like this container, and then add a padding on the container 50. Should look like this. And then if you're already like this, oh, it's white. Because it's white, it won't show. Maybe just add an image that is not white. Maybe I'm going to add this image. Okay, it should look like this. And then after that, make the container white. Sorry, make the container white. And this container for the image, you want to make it width for 105 and height for 105. And for the image, alignment to the center for the image. And container, the secondary background to white, and then border color to white. Boom, should appear like this. And you're actually done. If it's already have this line here, you're done. Then after that, you want to add a text at this container. My bad, this tag I mean. So you want to click stack and add text. Then you drag the text over here. Or if you want, you can click here and text, drop it here. Should look like that. See? And then after that, you want to change the text content to whatever you want. Add and then your username. After that, it should look like this.
okay, so
Click the
try before
text and then change the font size to 12. After that, you want to change the font family to Poppins.
and then
After that,
the
click the text color and change it to gray.
100
It's kind of transparent like this.
is
And after that,
100%, and for
you
the
want
next
to
is
add another
40%.
text for the name.
After that, also
It should
give,
look like this. And then you want to
from the
change
column
the
is
content
way.
to the name, like display name, display name, and the font is whatever you like. In here, I'm going to use Poppins. And font size to 13.
container
13. And
for the radius,
size is bold. Should look like that.
then
Yeah, you are done in here for the name card. We are going to add a row here. Row. And it should look like that. And then inside the row, you want to add a text, a vertical divider, and then another text. After that, let's resize this first to 5, no, maybe 10, 10, yes.
After that,
And then change the hello world
go
to
stop,
the city that was you born in. Para.
and then from the top,
Then
uh,
font you want to make it
have
like semi bold for like Poppins.
that,
Poppins.
that,
And then the font size for this is 12. And make it like blue. Or me text light blue. This. And for the hello world, you want to make it join it, the join date of the application 19
is a width from the
July.
100%, and for the height is 145
July.
to px.
Okay. And then you want to
Also, give
click the row and then make the main axis alignment to middle. Should look like that. Okay, so you want to make it the same. Font size is 13. Weight around 12. And then Poppins. And then primary text color to gray. Same semi-bold, and then you should be done in here. Wait, don't make it bold, make it just normal. After this, you want to add a container, maybe a row again for the buttons. So first, click on this tag, and then click row. Drag it down here, and then it should look like that. And then in this row, you want to add a button. 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 And then you want to make the button follow button just like this. Font size 12. Family Poppins. And then font weight is just semi bold, and text color to black. I want to make the fill color to unset, to transparent, and then border color to gray. And you want to duplicate it for 2 times. Like that. And then you want to add a padding for this row, maybe 12 and 12. For this container, you want to add at the height, boom, like that. And then after you've done this, you want to make the button space like that. So you want to add, click this row, and then space, boom. It should be like that. And after this, you want to add a text here, below here, and then change the text to 10, font size to 10. Second, for the font family is Poppins, and you just go into the lorem ipsum, and then text alignment to middle, then like this, done. it's going to be like this, or if it's too small you want to add the font size this dot, add a padding to make it look more good, 5 like this, and then change the primary text color to gray, kinda gray like this. Okay, and then add a padding at the bottom, 5, and at here you are done with the name card, just name card, and we are going to move on to the informations like the website, email, and other things like phone and Gnet too. So at here you want to add a container, a new container down here.
Axis alignment is
After you add a new container,
and then give
you want to add like a column, another column, and but first you want to add padding 14 and border radius 15, and then width is 100%, and let's just leave it for a sec. That after that you want to add a text at the container with a column first. Before you add a text, add a column, and then at the column you want to add a text like this, and after that you want to make the text alignment to left, and then text the information, change the text content to information, and font size to 16 like usual, 16, and then semi bold Poppins. It should look like that, and if you want you can add a padding for 7 padding. Don't add to the column but add it to the text 7, that, and then for the alignment of the padding is top left. Then after you do this you want to add a row this, and after this you want to add a row, so after this row you want to make maybe just one first, and then insert a row you want to add a row again. After you add a row again in the row you want to add an icon and a text, and you want to make text like the information for example website, and then the icon you want to make it up to you. I'll just choose the globe here. Change the font size to maybe 14, so 14 or 12. Okay, that's great. And then Poppins. After that you want to add a little padding to here, maybe 5. Okay, after this you want to add a text inside the main row like this, and then just like don't test.com, boom, like that. Same 12. Font family Poppins, and boom. Okay, after that you want to change the primary color of the text to kind of gray, and then click again on the row, main row, and then main axis alignment space evenly. It should look like this, but you want to click this row and then alignment to left, yeah, you kinda just done in here, alignment to left like this, top left, so you just want to make it like that. Wait, my bad, is space between like this. Add a little padding on this row, maybe 10, top padding and bottom padding 10. And then after this you're done with this row, and then just duplicate it 3 times. That, and then change the container height to 0, just like this. You want to just make it empty, and then you want to, okay, it should be like 4 row like this. When you want to add the 2 or 4 and 4, you want to delete the paddings 2, but for 3 it's okay, don't delete it. 4, it should look like this. And then you want to add wrap this at this container, wrap in column, wait, my bad, wrap in the stack, say after this you want to drag here the wrap. Okay, after you've done that, you want to add divider first in here, maybe here, divider like down here. Wait, hold on, container, delete this text, oh wait, okay, it should be like this. And then add a wrap in the column. Okay, now okay, and then you want to add a divider, normal divider in here in the column. Make sure to place it on top of the wrap. If it's like this, you want to place it on top like this, boom. And then at this wrap you want to add a button, make one, and then you want to duplicate it, like make it like the follow thing, button size 14, maybe 12, the text color is black. After that, font family Poppins, normal font weight, and fill color is transparent, and then border color to black, kinda black like this, gray. After that you want to duplicate it 6 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Then change the button stacks to whatever you like. You are designer, then normal. Just fill it with developer, and then a CEO, then button, and okay, this. After it should look like this, you want to add padding, maybe padding like this 10, and the other one is 10 too. Should look like this, and you're pretty much done here. So if there is any mistake that I made, please forgive me, because I'm still a beginner too, and come learn with me at this channel. Because all, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.